Did you know that you can use AI to create your own comic book, even if you can't draw like me? I'm going to show you just how easy it is. First, start with a simple idea. In ChatGPT, I'm going to type, "Help me create a short comic book about a kid who discovers their dog is secretly a superhero." Make it funny and create a simple beginning, middle, and ending. AI can come up with the story, characters, and even the dialogue. Here we go. Next, I'm going to say, break this story into 8 comic book pages. Tell me what happens in each panel and include the dialogue. And now I basically have the blueprint for my entire comic book. Next comes the fun part. I'm going to say, create page 1 of this comic book. Use a colorful professional comic book style and keep the characters consistent throughout the story. Then I continue with page 2, page 3, and so on, as long as I like everything it's come up with. If not, I can go back and make any tweaks that I want. Now, I like the way this looks, but I want to make just some kind of an edit to show you guys how easy it is. So I'm going to have it change just the color scheme of the comic. And that looks perfect. And now I'm going to have it create the cover page. Let's see what it comes up with. Perfect. And it's given me 2 illustrations that I can pick from, so I can just click at the bottom there and pick which one I like better. There, and combined I can show you the cover and the first 2 pages. Once all my pages are finished, I can put them together into a digital comic book, print it for myself, or even turn it into a finished published book. So I went from one simple idea to my own comic book, with AI doing most of the hard work. And that's another thing I didn't know that AI could do.